So today, let me share with you 3 tips to look more natural every day. First on my list, the people who love to really have makeup every day, including in summer. You really like to use blush and also contour and other highlight. Then I would suggest you to really go for like liquid highlighter. Just look at this. This is one of my first discovery and see how gorgeous it is. Here I have the one from Charlotte Tilbury. This Glow Gasme is perfect. Just look at the light sheer golden highlight. The second tip that I have for you is to always make your eyebrow perfectly groomed. You can use like gel. For me is the Benefit one and it's just lovely. The third tip I have is, as I've been introduced to the latte makeup, I have found that the bronzer really works well if I'm using it as an eyeshadow. So on top of my eyeshadow, I have just bronzer and it looks perfect. And you can see how much I have already used it. This has really changed my game. Last bonus tip is here. It is this golden nail paint and it's so beautiful. For like day-to-day application, especially if you're like a brown person, it just looks amazing. You don't need to really wear like jewelry or anything else if you're wearing these nail paints. Let's look at this glitter gloss that it gives and I just love it. Maybe in the summer I can switch this golden to the silver one according to my other accessories, but I think for now in this summer this is perfect. These were like my tips for being everyday looking your best, and talk to you soon. Bye.